Fists can break the ice like butter. Like those pillows you call fists will break anything.
Guys, I don't think that's what he meant. God.
And Apple, you're really stupid.
What? Seriously, guys, it was my condition. What?